Today, I'm going to unbox the Lug Life box. It's the holiday edition for 2025. And you guys know, if you have watched any of my videos, I usually get every single one of these mystery boxes, except that I have been a little selective lately. I did not pick up the Halloween edition because I'm not really into the Halloween themed items. But most of the time, I pick all of these up, and I've been pleasantly surprised with some, and I've been a little disappointed in a few. So I'm really excited to hopefully have a really good box this time. So let's unbox this Lug Life box for the holiday edition. And I actually really enjoy the fact that we don't have options, because when we have options, I can't choose. I think for the holiday box, either last year or the year before, there was like classic or something else. So there was two options. I think novelty or classic or something like that. So I just really don't like to have to choose between two. So I'm glad when they only have one option. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking and open this up. I really do like the presentation of this. So it's really cute that it has this to and from. So if you wanted to just gift this to somebody without having to wrap it or anything like that, that's really cool. So this is already ready to present to somebody if you were going to do that. So let's go ahead and dig in. You know, sometimes in the past, the box has been an indication of what's inside, but then sometimes it has nothing to do with what's inside. So we're going to see if that's the case here. Let me get all the stickers on, which they don't have it really taped up too much, which is nice as well. You're not damaging the box if you like to keep the boxes. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see what's inside. I cannot wait. These are sliding out as we speak. So this is a $25 off your next order of $100. And I think it expires January 31st of 2026. And then here is what is inside. Something else fell. That was a $25 off, $75, $50 off, $100, free shipping. And those also expire January 31st as well. So let's, I guess, go ahead and open this up first. It's so cute. Let's just look at it. So cute. So it looks like, since we have these, they should be some kind of leather product. And let's see what's inside. Oh, this is cute. That satin luxe material. Let's see what this is. It is the half, I don't know. The half what? It's in champagne, whatever it is. So it's apparently something that you already have seen, but it's in a half size, which is interesting. I like it. Now, I gotta be honest, I am not watching the lives as much or anything like that, so I don't know if this is a bag that they've come out with that's in a smaller version than another one, but I like it. I think it's super cute. So it has your strap right here, and then you have the phone pocket right here. Here's the interior. Let's just see how this is, because I think this is cute. And then another one of the longer straps. So you can either carry it by the shoulder strap, use the crossbody strap. The crossbody strap is detachable. This shoulder strap has to stay here. So if you're not using it as a shoulder bag, then it will have to stay here as a little decoration. So this is in metallic champagne. Let's get all this out. Set that to the side. So you got your key bungee, back zipper. Oh, this is, it's the half plunge. Sorry, I couldn't tell what that was on the tag. So this is the half plunge, and you've got two cargo pockets, the key bungee. In the front, you have the clear view pocket. There's your lining. And then you have, on the outside of the zipper, you have the magnetic felt lines for the cell phone. So that's cute. I like this. So far, so good. And let me just set this up for you. So lots of red and green. So cool. I love it. So it looks like there's some cozy socks in here as well. And let's open these. I like these. So these are the Tiptoe 2-pack Snowman Plaid. So it looks like you've got some little plaid right here. And then these, do they have snowman on them? Oh yeah, these have a little snowman on these. They feel so good. They're nice and comfy. I love these. They're really nice cozy socks. And then let's just pull this item right here, which is a strap. And I love additional straps. This is the, I guess, candy cane strap is what this is supposed to be. Open this up and see. This will be cute on some bags for this time of year. Really cute. Okay, and then let's pull this one. This has to be in some kind of leather as well. And let's see, it says it's the Colo with the charm bar in black. Let's see. Oh, it's in the matte luxe. This is my favorite fabrication. So gold hardware. And in the black, oh, this is a jewelry case. Okay, so you've got a little ring bar right here. And then this little bar has the holes for some earrings. And then I guess you could put maybe some more rings on here if you needed to, or kind of hang a little bracelet that won't slide around. And then you got this zipper pocket. That's a pouch. And then you have this. It has 2 hooks for some necklaces, and then it has a little pouch for you to put the necklaces down. I love this compact little jewelry case. So it's called the Colo. So these are new things that I'm not familiar with. I'm loving this. That half plunge, love it. Socks, I know I love those. And so this is good. I love matte looks. And so this is a really nice jewelry case. So I'm really excited so far. And we still have more stuff in here. So let's see. Let me just go ahead and grab this. The Go-Go tartan plaid. So what is this little thing? Oh my gosh. This, don't tell me this is a bag. It's like, what am I gonna fit in this bag? It's cute. I like the tartan plaid. I have the mini Dory. So this kind of has a similar look to the little mini Dory. I mean, like, you could use this as a bag charm on your bigger lug bags. Or, I mean, I guess it's got the rings here, so you could throw a strap on this and I guess use it as a crossbody. But this is a super small, you guys, like super small. Like here it is compared to the jewelry case. So I think it's even smaller than the jewelry case. So you can kind of see that right there. Very small. But it's cute. It's super cute. So let's just take a look at this. So you got a zipper at the top of it. Get the paper out. Oh, so it has a little mini chain with it as well, you guys. It's kind of cute. It's really cute. So here's the inside. Let me see if I can show you the lining. If you can see the lining real good on that one. So yeah, it says it's the Go-Go. So whatever the Go-Go is, I am not familiar with. I don't know if these are new bags or just specific to the box, but it's cute, you guys. And it has a little chain that goes with it. So I think this would be cute as a little bag charm on your bigger bags. Oh, like a travel bag or something like that. That's super cute because I don't really know what I'm gonna fit in here. Maybe some chapstick and a little small thing of lotion, and that would be cute. Or hand sanitizer. Use it as a little accessory to your bigger bags. It's super cute though, you guys. Still more to go. I'll save this big thing for last. And it looks like there is a charm and a snowman. Super cute. Yeah, the Novelty Charm and Snowman. So here that is. That'll look so cute on some of your bags for Christmas. A 3-pack pen. This is the holiday treat. Again, it's got like the to and from if you wanted to gift this to somebody or use it as stocking stuffers or something like that. That's super cute. So it looks like it has some plaid design right here. Let me just take it out of the box because that plastic kind of reflects. So a little plaid, and then this has like hot cocoa and candy canes and things like that on the second one. And then this has mistletoe, so it's super cute. And then it looks like there's one more thing in this box. And this has been a really good box, you guys. Super impressed. Sometimes they're just hit or miss on whether they're good or not. Most of the time they're good. I'll have to say, like I said before, a lot of times I had to just get everyone because I would be afraid of missing out on something. But I have been a little bit selective lately. But one of the summer boxes was super good. It had like the Summit in it, which is like one of my go-to bags I use a lot. So this, I love these organizers. This is the Gallop 2 Wicked Green. So this is cool. I have the actual Gallop, so I'm not sure what the difference is in the Gallop 2. I'll have to look at the other one to see. So this came out of it. So let's go ahead and put that in here to give it some structure. And on the inside, you have a little clear pocket right here. And then on the outside, you have this clear pocket, and this one has a charm bar. I don't think the last one had a charm bar. So that's really cool. I love the Wicked Green. I love these to put like some of my smaller accessories in these and throw it in my closet. I really like to organize that way. And this is also something good that if I have a lot of stuff that I have to throw in my car, then I like to just throw stuff in here. So this is the Gallop 2. So gosh, this is a good box, you guys. All right, so now that I've opened it all up, I love the element of surprise. I never like to go to those spoiler pages on Facebook. So if I'm not getting the box, I like to know, like as soon as somebody first gets it, what was in it and what I missed out on. But if I'm getting it, I like the element of surprise when I'm opening it up. There's just something about opening it up, not knowing what's inside, on whether it's gonna be something really good or just, you know, really not be that great. But some of the boxes have had some really good bags that have been something that I have used so much. I think in one of the other holiday boxes, there was a satin luxe, like I think it was a flyer in a really pretty burgundy color. And I think it had the micro houndstooth lining on it. That has been one of the bags that I have loved carrying. So some bags have been really good in these and it have been like staples for me. But this, it's just too cute. Even though it's not really practical, it's cute. And I think it would be a cute little bag charm on your bigger bags. This is interesting. I like the kind of non-structure of this one, how it's kind of that slouchy look. And I do like the satin luxe material on this. Metallic champagne is really pretty. I think this was a really good box. So this did retail for $155. I had $50 in rewards that I used toward this. So I got this for $105. So I think this was pretty good. And then you got your gift cards that you can use, but you only have until January 31st to use those. So definitely make sure that you don't miss out on those because that's some really good savings as well. So let me know, you guys, did you get this box and were you satisfied with what was inside? I would love to know, you guys, if you received them or if you didn't get it and you wish now that you had gotten it because all the things in there are so good. There's not anything in there that I didn't like. There's been some boxes where they put a lot of fluff in there. I think the very first holiday box that they did, it was just the Nutcracker blanket, which I use that all the time, and a lot of fluff. There was like a lot of little stuff, not a real good bag in that one. So that one was kind of a flop, and that was their first holiday edition box. But some of their holiday edition boxes have been really good. And I have a whole playlist of all of the Lug Life boxes that I've unboxed with you guys. All the ones that I've purchased, I actually have videos of those as well. If you wanted to kind of look back and see what things are in the boxes, so you're trying to decide whether or not to get the next box, then you would kind of know some of the things that they do include in the boxes. So I do hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and if so, hit that like button, you guys. That would really help me out, and I would love to know down in the comments below if you liked any of these items and if you got the box yourself and if you were happy. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.